Good day and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. Today's little project is this cute little cloud. You will require your crochet hook and your yarn. I'm not going to do this in white because it doesn't work well on a video, as you can see, but I will be using this so that you will be able to see exactly what I'm doing. And you will start this project by making a slip knot. Once you have your slip knot on your hook, you're going to go ahead and chain 8. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you have your 8, you're going to make 3 single crochets into the second chain from the hook. That's 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to work in the chain 1 stitch at a time in each chain. In the next stitch, please make 1 single crochet. In the next one, again 1 single crochet. In the next 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. That's 1, 2, 3. In your last chain, please make 3 single crochets. And that is what we have so far. Now we're going to work the other side of the chain, this side here. So I'm just going to turn my work a bit, and I'm going to work the tail away at the same time. You're going to make 1 single crochet in the next 5 chain stitches. So you're not going to start where you have the 3 chain, but in the very next one. So we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm back to where I started with the 3 single crochets. You're going to slip stitch into that first stitch. Now we're going to work this piece. You're going to chain 1, and you're going to make a single crochet in that first stitch. Now you're going to make 5 double crochets, 1 single crochet, 5 double crochets. So let's start with the 5 double crochets in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next stitch, you'll make the single crochet, followed by 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet. Skip 1 stitch and make 5 double crochets in the next stitch. Now make 1 single crochet, followed by 5 double crochets in the next stitch. With the amount of increases into the stitches, 5 double crochets, your work automatically turns. So you have your 5 double crochet, now make 1 single crochet. Skip 2 stitches and work a total of 8 double crochets into that stitch. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2, and you'll be right back at where you started, and you're going to make a slip stitch, chain 1, pull your yarn, and you're going to cut that tail momentarily. I'll do my cutting off camera, and that's it. Your little cloud. You can see there's a difference in the size. This I use double knit for, and this is single knit, so hence the difference in size. But it's a cute little applique or motif that you can use on any of your kids' clothing. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Enjoy crocheting.